Hello everyone. In this clip I am going to explain how to find lower sum and upper sum of a function with respect to partition in R2 with using one example. What is this example? Suppose R is a rectangular region which is close interval 1 comma 5 cross close interval 0 comma 2. It is a rectangle. A function from rectangle to real numbers R is defined as f of xy is equal to y for all xy belongs to R, and partition is given. This is partition of interval 1 comma 5 and P2 is partition of interval 0 comma 2 and P is P1 cross P2 which is partition of rectangle R. We have to find lower sum and upper sum of function with respect to this partition. So let's start with the solution. First draw this rectangle. On x-axis it is 1 comma 5 and on y-axis it is 0 comma 2. So this is your rectangle R. Now let's see the partition. P1 is 1, 2 and 5. P2 is 0, 1 and 2. So this is the partition of rectangle R. So it divides rectangle R into 4 subrectangles. This is R11, this is R21, this is R12, this is R22. Okay, so for lower sum and upper sum you require infimum and supremum. So I am taking M11. It is infimum of the function x comma y such that xy is in subrectangle R11, which is y as per the definition of function. Xy is coming from R11. So you can observe in this subrectangle R11 you have to take y, the value which is infimum. So 0 is the value which is the least possible value. So M11 is 0. Similarly M12 you have to take from this subrectangle infimum of function. So it is 1. You can observe y, the least value, infimum is 1. Similarly M21 it is 0, M22 it is 1. So what is lower sum of function with respect to partition P? It is summation Mij, small mij which are infimum into area of subrectangles. So it is M11 area of rectangle R11 plus M12 area of R12 plus M21 area of R21 plus M22 area of R22. So let's apply. It is 0 into area of this subrectangle is length into breadth, which is 1, plus M12 is 1 into area of this subrectangle, it is again 1, length into breadth. M21 is 0 into area of subrectangle R21. So it is 3, length, breadth is 3, length is 1, so it is 3, plus M22 it is 1, again area of subrectangle R22 is 3. So we are getting 4. Now let's move ahead. we have to find upper sum. For that we require supremum. So it is supremum of function f of xy such that xy is coming from m11, sorry, r11. So it is supremum of y such that xy is coming from r11. Now look at the subrectangle r11. The highest value of y is 1. It is 1. Now m12, it is 2. m21, it is 1. And m22 in the subrectangle, it is 2. So let's write upper sum. It is infimum into area of subrectangle r11, m12 area of subrectangle plus m21 area of subrectangle plus m22 area of subrectangle. So this is, let's write 1, area of subrectangle r11 is 1, plus 2, area of subrectangle 12 is 1, plus m21 is 1, area of subrectangle r21 is 3, plus m22 is 2, area of subrectangle is 3. So it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6, which is 12. So this is how you find upper sum and lower sum when you are given with rectangle, a function, and the partition of rectangle. Thank you.